Alright, in this tutorial, I want to share with you how to design Pinterest pins. Okay, so Pinterest pins are actually pins that you can design for Pinterest, and they come with different sizing. There's a guideline on what kind of size Pinterest actually accept. So if you want to check out the guideline, you can come to your Pinterest account, pinterest.com, and you can see the sizing over here. You can see the guideline to see the details. The content attribute should be 200. Minimum requirement is 200 width wide by 300 wide. Okay, by 300 tall. Okay, or recommendation is 1000 by 15 pixel tall. So you can check around and you can use any of them. Okay, this is recommendation. This is minimum requirement. So let's say 1000 by 15. So you can come to your Canva home and you can just search for Pinterest pin. If you like, you can search for Pinterest pin, or you can come to custom size and you can design it easily. So Pinterest pin 1000 by 1500. So this is the default size. Okay, so you can just click and you can see it over here. You can start from a blank page, or you can select anyone and customize to your liking. So let's say we select anyone and customize because it's easy and it makes our work kind of fast and fantastic, and you don't have to worry about coloration, playing around with sizing and all that. So you just select anyone. Just go checking according to the free versions. So select on anyone. So let's say something like this, or something like this, or anyone. You just say we go with something like this. Or let's say we go with something like this. So depending, as we know, Pinterest is actually a very fantastic source of traffic to your website. It can be a very good source of traffic to your website or to your YouTube channel, depending on what kind of targets you have for your audience. You can use it as a source of traffic to a given platform. So let's say you are here and you want to change, or you want to customize this to anything before you put it on Pinterest. So for example, you want to put in the title, make 1000 USD, selling online courses. So let's say this is by Epic Mentorship from my channel, right? So you can change this background image if you want, and you can just come over to your elements and just search for money sign. You can just search for money and you can see different kind of money signs coming up. Okay, so you can just easily drag anyone and drop it here, and you can see everything changes. So you have that look of the money, and you can click and change the coloration to anything so it stands out. Now you can see, now you can bold this and you can see it's now a little bit clearer. Okay, you can select it and you can come to effects and change from this lift to maybe normal shadow. Okay, and so it's now becoming much more visible and clearer. So you can make it something like this, or you can just make it shadow, and that's all. So for example, if this is your pin and you like this pin, you can select this one also. You can change the color to something like this, so it a little bit stands out. So you can put any other feature that you want, but this is kind of enough. But if you want to do more, you can just select and you can put in anything. You can come to backgrounds and you choose any background of your choice, drag it, and you can see it has fit in everything. And then you can come and check on elements. You can just check on anything. You can remove this money. You can put anything. Let's say we check on frames. Okay, this is shapes. Let's say we check on frames. Now we check anyone. Let's say we take this frame and we can zoom it out, and then we can look for any picture, maybe this one, and paste it, double click and zoom it out so that it can fit in. And we can bring in another element. Maybe you can reposition this up, and then you can put in some text down over here. You can call it anything. You can come here, reduce the sizing so it fits. So you can put in anything. Design with Canva. All right, so you can select everything, Control A, and reduce the sizing. Design with Canva. So this is Pinterest. So you can put in anything you want, and once you're certain, you can just come over and just download. Click on share, and you can come to download over here, and you select whichever one you want to download. If you want to download both of them, you can download both of them at the same time, or you want to select a given one like we used to do. Select, click, and download, and you download it very easily, and you can see it has just downloaded. You can see it over here. This is your Pinterest pin. You can always come to your Pinterest, close this, and you can click to upload. You can come to your downloads over here, and you can see the Pinterest pin you've just downloaded. You can just click and you see how it fits in perfectly. So you can just put your title, the description, and the link that you want to send viewers or your audience from here to that particular link. So this is very easy. This is the easiest way to download or to design Pinterest pins for your Pinterest account or for your Pinterest anything. So feel free to try it on your own.